Okay, so take your front wheel, take the two spacers, put them onto the axle. On the previous version, the X1, they were different from right to left, and on this version, they're exactly the same. So just make sure they're fully inserted. Then, forgot to remove the axle. It's a 6mm, so just slide it out like that. And on the caliper, there's your plate here you need to remove before. And now it's really important not to touch the front brake lever. Six millimeter. Forgot the tension, but I think it's 5 Newton meter. So no need to put a lot of tension on it. There's a little bit of rubbing on the pad. I can see the disc moving when I depress the lever, so the caliper will need some adjustment. The rear is perfect. So if you don't know how to adjust the caliper, it's really simple. 5mm. You just, sorry you can't see, but there's 2 bolts holding the caliper onto the fork. You just loosen 2 bolts. Caliper, that is too loose. If you can twist it, it's a little bit too loose. Too tight. The goal is just to be loose enough so it can move side to side. Yeah, that's good. So you press and hold the lever, and while doing so, tighten it. Almost no rubbing.